Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Amazon Fire 7. Firstly, go into Play Store on an Android and App Store on Amazon. Then install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer and open it. From this screen here on an Android, you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then open your app on Amazon. Choose Keep at the bottom left corner, then grant access on the bottom right one. Choose Allow in the pop-up. And now you can click Send on an Android and Receive on Amazon. After that, tap on all of those dots and select Send. This way you will transfer all of your files to your Amazon. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only those two. Just Send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Amazon, choosing Allow in the pop-up and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and tap on this check mark, which is Receive. Now, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!